Hey guys, welcome to Easy Art again. Today we're going to do some more great art and it's going to be easy, okay? So first thing we're going to do today, we're going to try to draw a snake. And maybe today, this snake, maybe he got in trouble with his friend and he got tied into a knot. And I don't know, it's kind of silly. Two snakes tied together in a knot. That's what we're going to draw today, okay? So first we're going to grab our pencil. In case we have any mistakes, we need it erased. We got that. And then we also have our Sharpie for an outline. And then of course any markers and colored pencils you guys want to grab for coloring, absolutely grab them right away, okay? So we'll get started here with our snake tied together in a knot. It's going to be kind of silly today. Okay, here we go. So first thing, we're going to draw one snake. We're going to have his head here, and a squiggly line, and his body going towards the middle. So his head, a squiggly line, and then the end of it goes towards the middle of the paper. Okay, now on our snake we're going to have his eyes, so we're going to do he's going to be kind of frustrated. So in his eye, we're going to have a little eyebrow he's a little upset. And that's his other eye over there. A little curve to show that he has another eye, but we can't see it. It's on the other side of his body. We'll give him kind of a grumpy look. Maybe a straight mouth. Like, I'm not happy, I'm grumpy. And there's a little nostril. You maybe be able to see both of them there. Two nose holes for his nostril. So you can tell his face, he's not that happy with whatever's happening today. Alright. Here we go. Now, the second part, we're going to do the other snake right here next to him. He's going to be kind of looking the same way, and the bottom of his tail is going to be going towards the middle, and that's where we're going to put the knot. Okay, so I'm going to put another snake. He doesn't have to look the same. Maybe we'll have him leaning back like he's pulling away from this guy. So we'll do another head, curvy, and then towards the middle. Oops. There we go. Remember, both their bodies are going towards the middle. This guy looks like his body's a little thicker. I can always fix that later. Alright, and he's not going to be happy either. So same thing. Kind of a upset eyebrow with his eye. Remember to leave a little dot in the middle for his eyeball. We'll put his other eye right over there. In case you want to... So we can tell he has another eye. And then maybe he's yelling. Maybe he's yelling. Let's make his mouth open. And his two nose holes. Like, hey! And we'll just have some lines coming out, so it's kind of like he's shouting. And if you guys want, you can put teeth in there as well, but I'm not gonna today. Alright, now let's try to get this knot done. This will be the hardest part, the knot. Okay, so you guys pay attention, and we'll make it look as best as we can, okay? We'll make it look just as good as we can. Okay, so first thing, we're going to... Let's have this guy's tail kind of start to turn in. And this guy's tail is going to start to kind of go around it. I'm going to make it a little wider like I was saying before. Okay. So this part of his tail is going to go under here. Oops, messed up. It's okay. Erase if you need to. We're going to have his tail kind of go under. Curve under. As you can see, my tail kind of just goes under. His tail's gonna go over, okay? So this part we do not need to touch because it's over and tight. All right, this part we're gonna come over. Like that. Now, the other guy's tail is going to come up and be done. All right, you guys can see his tail's there. This tail is going to wrap around. Okay. So you can see both their tails are there, kind of holding each other, they're pulling on each other. Okay, and we also can put some movement lines here as well. If we want them to, it feels like they're wiggling or moving their tail, whatever they need, whatever you guys feel like. Now, we know that doesn't look like a real knot, but it looks just as good, and we can tell they're struggling. So that's what we're going for here today. Okay, and then just some different effects, for the snake. We'll put some, the underside of him on here for us. Usually snakes have some lines under their belly to help them move across the land. And this guy will have the same. Maybe they'll just be different colored snakes. And maybe they're just having a disagreement and they'll be better off here in a minute. Okay, so next. Okay, so guys, next we're gonna do a full outline with a Sharpie, and then we'll color it in nice and pretty for you, nice and colorful, and then we'll speed it up, and that'll be the end. All right, so here we go. Okay guys, we are all finished drawing our two snakes that are tied together right here. They look so silly, and I hope you guys had a great time drawing them just like I did. I did a green snake and a blue snake. I hope you guys chose some colors that you like as well. You can make your snakes any color you want. You can make them look like any kind of snake you want. You can give them teeth, rattles if you want, designs on their back, whatever ever you want to do. That's the best part about art, okay? So if you could, guys, like and subscribe at the bottom of the page here. Comment any drawings you want me to draw for you or help you out with. I can definitely try to help you out with those. And then other than that, I hope you have a good rest of your day and take it easy.